Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make basil pesto. First, ensure your basil leaves are clean and dry. Toasting the pine nuts gently enhances their flavor, so do not skip this step. Having all your ingredients ready before you begin blending will make the process smooth and efficient. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious homemade pesto. Begin by placing your toasted pine nuts and peeled garlic cloves into a food processor. Pulse these ingredients together until they are finely chopped, creating a coarse mixture. Now, add the fresh basil leaves to the processor. Continue to pulse, scraping down the sides as needed until the basil is well incorporated and a thick paste begins to form. Next, add the freshly grated Parmesan cheese to the basil mixture in the food processor. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. This gradual addition helps to emulsify the pesto, creating a smooth and creamy texture. Continue blending until all ingredients are fully combined and the pesto reaches your desired consistency. Finally, taste your pesto and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For best results, allow the flavors to meld for about 30 minutes before serving. You can store your homemade pesto in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in ice cube trays. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.